Happy Hump Day. I'm recording this on Wednesday, August 19th, 2026. My name is Mark, along with my wife Sherry, my grandson John, and my granddaughter Abby. We are the Product Review Geeks. We test products and services to save you time and money. Today, we talking about Peaceful Profits, it's called. It's a book. The guy's name is Mike, I believe. Mike Shreve. Yep. Husband, father, writer, reader, freelancer. It has to do with writing one book and making millions of dollars. I've already gone through 4 of the lessons. It's $4.99 here. Let me show you the main website here. You can get a copy of it for $4.99. I don't have an affiliate link or anything to it, so I really can't really show you a link to it. But you can look at the website and do a search and see if it's something you might be interested in. It's called One Book Millions Method. The book, you click in, it just gives you an overview of the book, but it gives you a 7-figure book funnel breakdowns. All right, there's bonus trainings. Russell Brunson, Dan Henry, Justin Brook, Lisa Smith. Got all these online marketers that, talk about their methods and like that. I mean, for $4.99, it's really a lot of information. But they try to get you to do a call to them, and they try to upsell you big time. I mean, the upsells are anywhere from $100, I think, all the way on up to like 50 grand, which is, kind of exorbitant in my opinion, but I could be wrong, but I think it's a little bit high priced. All right, so let's go back here. All right, now we got sales mastery. We got all these lessons here on how to sell, framework instead of a script. I mean, they give you a lot of good information here. I went through some of them, and there's a lot of good information on here. So it's actually worth $5 just for you to grab the book and try it out. And they got an audio book. You can download the audio book and listen to it on your phone or, anywhere's on your laptop. I always use my laptop for everything. Then you get bonus 3 clients per day with a short book. I can get 3 clients per day with a short book. I've wrote books before, but I just wrote them on general information. So if you're trying to build a business, you want to kind of focus on your business, writing a short book. And writing a book's not really that bad. You can publish it on Amazon. You can even do it on there. You can sell hard copies of it too through Amazon. I got a couple of books on there. I think it costs you, I don't know, $3 or $4 to print the book. Amazon will ship it out for you. People can buy it right through Amazon, which is a trusted platform, so you're good there. You can also do Gumroad. Gumroad, you can sell books on there, downloads. So it works out pretty good. There's a lot of places online to sell books. The biggest problem with selling anything online is getting people to your website, to your offer. That's the hardest part. And a lot of people say, well, getting people there. It's getting the right people is what you want. And it's hard because, everybody is so bombarded with information about, how to make money doing this, how to make money doing that, how to build your business. There's just a lot of information out there. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to shorten everything for you here at Product Review Geeks. All right, let's see what else we got here. Offers to 7-figure. Let's click into this. I'll show you a little bit about that. You click on that and it'll tell you about how to get offers for 7 figures. Book hook workshop, 14-day writing challenge. So basically, you're getting some pretty good information here about how to write one little book and make millions off of it. Of course, we all know in the real world that, maybe 1 out of a million people might have success with it. It just depends on, your motivation and your mindset. Excuse me. I just had surgery and they had some tube down my throat and it kind of Still a little irritated yet. So this is Mark from the Product Review Geeks. Peaceful Profits. I would get the $4.95 book and go through all the information. They give you a lot of good information on here for $5. I mean, you really can't beat it, even though they do try to upsell you to thousands of dollars. But if you have the money, hey, get the extra training. But as far as somebody just starting out in business, this is something good if you want to like write books, write a short book, and get your name out there. It might not be a bad deal for you. So thanks for tuning in. This is Mark from the Product Review Geeks, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to check out the link below the video for a link to our website, Product Review Geeks. We got a lot of cool stuff on there for you. Thank you, and have a great day.